The ocean's depths hold mysteries beyond our wildest imaginings, secrets that are waiting to be unraveled. Today, we're diving into uncharted waters, plunging into the fascinating and enigmatic concept of underwater alien bases. Now, before you raise an eyebrow, ponder this. Mankind's innate curiosity for the unknown has led us to speculate about the vast expanses of our oceans and the far reaches of space. These deep, dark, largely unexplored regions make a perfect canvas for speculation. Picture, if you will, advanced beings from distant galaxies, taking refuge in our oceans, observing us discreetly from the shadows, interacting clandestinely with humanity. Sounds like a plot from a science fiction novel, doesn't it? But for some, this isn't just fiction. For them, the idea that alien civilizations might be using our deep seas as a base of operations is not just plausible, but probable. These theories come to life in the minds of extraterrestrial enthusiasts who argue that our ocean's depths offer ideal conditions for concealment. Much like the unexplored corners of space, the bottom of our seas is relatively unmonitored by human activities. Its inaccessibility and mystery make it the ideal hideout for those who wish to observe us without being. These aren't just mere speculative fantasies. These theories are fueled by our profound human curiosity about the unknown, driven by our unquenchable thirst to understand and explore the world around us and beyond. The ocean's depths, much like the cosmos, are a realm of mystery, a realm where the known meets the unknown, and the familiar intersects with the unfamiliar. As we stand at the edge of this vast blue expanse, we can't help but wonder, what if these theories hold a grain of truth? What our oceans are not just home to Earth's creatures, but also to beings from beyond our planet? Could it really be possible that our oceans are concealing otherworldly guests? Stories of unidentified submerged objects, or USOs, have intrigued and baffled observers for decades. This anecdotal evidence is the backbone of the lore surrounding underwater alien bases. These are not just stories told by people looking for a bit of fame or notoriety. No, they often come from credible sources, people who have spent their lives at sea and know the difference between the usual and the unexplainable. Take, for example, the numerous accounts from naval personnel, seasoned fishermen, and residents of coastal areas. These individuals, who are familiar with the ebbs and flows of the ocean, have reported seeing objects moving at incredible speeds underwater, speeds that our current technology simply cannot achieve. Not only that, but these objects also have the ability to emerge from the depths of the sea and take to the sky, transforming from USOs to UFOs right before our eyes. These accounts are not isolated incidents either. From the cold, unforgiving waters of the North Atlantic to the warm, inviting waves of the South Pacific, these sightings have been reported across different cultures and over vast time periods. The consistency of these reports, despite the geographical and cultural differences, lends a certain weight to the testimonies. Adding another layer of intrigue to this mystery are the restricted military files and whistleblower testimonies. These documents and insider accounts hint at mysterious underwater activities and strange occurrences that defy conventional understanding. Yet, they remain shrouded in secrecy, adding fuel to the fire of speculation and debate. But as with any theory that challenges our understanding of the world, these accounts are often met with skepticism. Critics argue that anecdotal evidence is not enough to support the existence of underwater alien bases. They demand concrete, irrefutable proof, and rightly so. While these accounts are fascinating, they are often met with skepticism. After all, the extraordinary requires extraordinary proof. That said, the persistence of these stories, coupled with the unyielding human curiosity and the vast, unexplored expanses of our oceans, ensure that the search for answers continues. The echoes of our past may hold clues to these extraterrestrial theories. As we delve into the depths of human history, we find a fascinating intersection between the concept of underwater alien bases and what's known as ancient astronaut theories. These theories propose that throughout our history, extraterrestrials have influenced, guided, and even interacted with human civilization. Consider for a moment the rich tapestry of our world's mythology. Stories from diverse cultures across the globe speak of gods descending from the skies, of celestial beings bestowing knowledge upon humanity, of chariots of fire and flying vessels that defy conventional explanation. These tales, woven into our collective consciousness, have more in common with modern UFO sightings than one might first imagine. Imagine the ancient gods of lore, with their heavenly abodes and powers beyond mortal comprehension. Could these figures, venerated and feared, have been extraterrestrial visitors? Could their divine chariots have been the spaceships of an advanced civilization? Proponents of ancient astronaut theories certainly think so. They argue that just as our ancestors might have perceived these extraterrestrial visitors as gods, today we might be witnessing their activities in the form of UFO sightings. The parallels between these ancient tales and modern reports are intriguing, to say the least. So, where does the notion of underwater alien bases fit into this? Well, if we accept the possibility that extraterrestrial beings have been observing and interacting with humanity for millennia, it's not a far leap to speculate that they could be operating from hidden bases right here on our planet. And what better place to conceal such bases than the vast, unexplored depths of our oceans? This idea, while speculative, offers an intriguing perspective on the enduring mystery of UFOs and USOs. It suggests a continuity of extraterrestrial presence throughout human history and raises fascinating questions about our understanding of the past. Could the ancient gods and the modern UFOs be one and the same, operating from bases beneath our oceans? The answer remains cloaked in mystery, an echo from our past whispering possibilities into our future. Science demands evidence, and the theories of underwater alien bases are no exception. The strength of science lies in its rigorous demand for verifiable proof, and in the case of these aquatic extraterrestrial theories, the scientific community remains largely unconvinced. Skeptics, often leading figures in astrophysics and marine biology, argue that the anecdotal evidence and reported sightings, while intriguing, fall short of the rigorous standards of scientific proof. They argue that these accounts often lack independent verification and are fraught with inconsistencies and inaccuracies. The extraordinary nature of such claims, they say, requires an equally extraordinary level of evidence. The implausibility of these theories, based on our current understanding of physics and biology, also raises eyebrows in the scientific community. The conditions in the deep sea, extreme pressure, low temperatures, and lack of light, present significant challenges to life as we know it. The idea that advanced extraterrestrial life forms could thrive in such an environment, and moreover, establish operational bases there, seems far-fetched to many. Moreover, the scientific community points out that our understanding of extraterrestrial life remains speculative at best. Despite the increasing discovery of exoplanets and potentially habitable environments within our own solar system, the existence of alien life is yet to be confirmed. To leap from this unproven premise to the existence of underwater alien bases is seen as a bridge too far by mainstream science. Yet, it's important to note that scientific skepticism is not dismissal. It is a call for rigorous inquiry and robust evidence. The scientific community is not opposed to the idea of extraterrestrial life. In fact, the search for alien life forms a significant part of contemporary astronomical research. While these theories of underwater alien bases remain speculative, they contribute to a larger conversation about the existence and nature of extraterrestrial life. They challenge us to question, to explore, and to push the boundaries of our understanding. And so, despite the skepticism, the broader search for alien life continues. The lure of the unknown, the allure of the unexplored, keeps our curiosity alive. It's this curiosity that stirs the imagination, propelling us into a world of speculation and wonder about the possibilities of underwater alien bases right here on Earth. The theories we've dived into today unfurl a narrative that's as fascinating as it is complex. These theories, while often dismissed by mainstream science, continue to thrive in alternative research circles. They propose our oceans, vast and largely unexplored, as potential hideouts for advanced extraterrestrial civilizations. The allure of the uncharted deep, akin to the far reaches of space, is an inviting canvas for these speculations. Anecdotal evidence and reported sightings weave a compelling tapestry of unidentified submerged objects, or USOs. These accounts, often from trustworthy sources, describe phenomena that seem to tiptoe beyond our current understanding of technology and physics, objects that move at incredible speeds underwater, or transition seamlessly from the depths to the skies above. The threads of these theories intertwine with ancient astronaut theories, suggesting a continuous extraterrestrial presence throughout human history. The echoes of old tales of gods descending from the heavens resonate in modern UFO reports, hinting at a possible link between the two. Yet, the call for concrete evidence rings loud in the scientific community. The extraordinary claims of underwater alien bases demand equally extraordinary evidence. Absent such evidence, these theories hover in the realm of speculation. But this does not dampen the allure of the unknown, nor does it quell the thirst for exploration and discovery. The ongoing discovery of exoplanets and increasing evidence of potentially habitable environments in our own solar system have reignited discussions about the possibility of extraterrestrial life. While the specific idea of underwater alien bases may not find support in mainstream science, the broader search for alien life persists. Whether or not our oceans harbor extraterrestrial life, the quest for understanding the mysteries of the universe continues. The depths of our oceans, much like the expanse of space, remain as tantalizing as ever.